home, guys. I'm Kaiser Mateen. I got a surprise for you.
Tell me about it. What is your surprise?
It is remote.
Remote?
This is our remote.
Okay, can you open it?
That's a bag.
Open it. Okay, can you show me? What is it?
Give me like it. I can use it for school.
Okay, wear it. Ooh, very cool. Yeah.
Okay, people, we can sleep on the back, you know? You're like a free.
That's how you sleep?
That's how I sleep with this. That on my side.
You feel comfortable?
Yeah. What's it back now? I have to go to school. What you can do is just like you can sleep with it or make it out of the back or as a cave, but you can make it out of the back, you know?
Now disappear.
Okay, kids. Don't bring this bag to your school. Don't sleep in class. Please listen to teacher. Remember, you guys, you can use this for traveling or when you feel cold inside your car. When open off a house or everybody's house. Okay, guys, listen. If you buy 400 PV, you get this. I will make it. Coffee.
You like it?
Yep.
What are you now?
Batman. Yeah, sleep on it.
You cool? That's how you do it?
All for me, guys. Don't forget to share it with your brothers and sisters.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.